So you're wondering what you can do to help Jamaica recover, right? You're thinking about donations or maybe volunteering. And listen, those things are wonderful. But let me tell you what Jamaica really needs from you right now. Here's the truth that might surprise you. We need you to visit. Yeah, you heard that right. Because here's the thing about Jamaica. Tourism isn't just some nice extra for us. It's how we rebuild. It's income for families. It's jobs for communities. It's some form of normalcy returning to our lives, and we're already welcoming visitors. Cruise ships are pulling into our ports. Locations are reopening every single day. We're working hard, and we expect to be fully operational by May 2026. Here's another thing you need to understand about Jamaicans. We are resilient. Right now, even as we're rebuilding, music is playing, people are dancing. We're not waiting until everything's perfect to celebrate life. That's not how we do things here. So picture this. You come to Jamaica. You're having a good time. Exploring those hidden beaches we love showing you. Soaking in those waterfalls. And while you're having fun, you're literally helping families put food on the table. You're helping businesses reopen. You're giving people hope. That's not just a vacation. That's making a real difference. So here's what I'm asking you to do. Come visit. Have fun. Dance with us. Laugh with us. Explore with us. That's how you help us recover. That's how you support Jamaica in the most meaningful way possible. If this resonates with you, gently tap that like button to show some love. And hey, drop a comment below. Tell us where in Jamaica you're most excited to visit or revisit. And if you want to stay connected with all things Jamaica, the hidden gems, the real experiences, the good vibes, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter. Links in the description below. Let's rebuild Jamaica together. One adventure, one smile, one dance at a time. See you soon.